Hey friends, if you wish to fix unknown USB device, set address failed error message on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to change the USB ports. What do I mean by this? Like if you have connected your USB device to one port, connected to a different port, usually computers these days come with multiple USB ports, okay? Now the second one is that you can update USB drivers. And how do we do that? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Now scroll down to Universal Serial Bus Controllers, expand it, right click on the root hub driver and update all of the root hub drivers, each and every one of them. Okay. And then right click on the first one, select properties, go to power management and uncheck this box which says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK and do the same thing for all the USB root hub drivers. Okay. I'm showing it for two, but you have to do it for all of them. And finally, just restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.